guys, so this is the hair dyed and washed and cut a little bit. As you guys saw in the clips that I showed you of the hair, I got 3 16 inches and a 20-inch closure, and this is what we have right here. The reason why I like to do 20-inch closures is because the frontal is on top of my head. So a 20-inch down here and a 20-inch up here is gonna fall a little bit different because the hair is higher on my head. So that's why whenever I do on my frontals, I always get a 20-inch just in case, so it's not too short. I want all my hair to be the same length. So right now it's like a blunt cut. Everything's the same length right here, and this is the natural texture and state of the hair. Sorry about the chair. I'm either gonna put oil on it or get a new chair, you guys, so just bear with me. But yeah, we just did these blonde streaks right here and some random brown around the hair. Do have a tutorial on it, so make sure you check that tutorial out if you see this video first before the other one. So basically what I'm gonna do, Kay, what do you think I should do? Should I straighten it? Should I do the waves you be doing? Should I wear a side part or what?
Middle part would be the I do.
But see, Kaylee's blessed. I don't know how to do the waves that she do. What y'all think? Live? So I think I kind of like the side part, how it falls. What do you think? Side part, middle part? Nathan, stop laughing at me. I'm filming a video. You're here laughing at me. I'll check the tutorial out. No, you won't. Which one? Side part? Middle part? Or should I just do like a... Nah. I like the side part. You like the side part? I think they fill in the side part. So, okay, you guys. The live stream fill in the side part. It looks like Kay likes the middle part, but I want to leave that look for Kay. That little look that she be doing. And I'm going to add some waves into it, I guess. I kind of like how it just looks like this. Like, it just looks like effortless. Wow, Abigail! Get it together now! It looks very effortless. Like, you know what I'm saying? There's no product in this. Kay literally just washed it and handed it over to me. And then here's how it dried. And the ends are still full. So I'm going to do a side part. I'm going to do like a nice deep side part. And I like it because the blonde streaks or the brown streaks right here like complementing the look. And we're going to curl it. And she's just going to... So I'm not going to talk during the curling part because that's just too much. I want to fast forward it for you guys to just watch and enjoy. Alright, you guys, so now I'm going in with the portion on just showing you guys how I style my hair. It's pretty much self-explained. Abigail! Get it together! Self-explanatory. Detangle your hair, and then you're going to see me go in with a little bit of my BioSilk. And I'm going to detangle my hair and part it in sections to curl it, right? I'm going for the waves with the straight ends. Sorry, while I was editing this video, wait, hold on, why are my armpits so white, bro? Yo, this lighting try to do me dirty, like for real. Yeah, y'all, so basically I'm sectioning off my hair and getting it prepped and ready to start curling. So yeah, you're gonna see Kay here in the background of the video because she was getting ready as well. We were on live interacting with my A gang, my supporters. So yeah, you'll see her here. Make sure you are starting from the ends, then making your way up to the root. That's the hair air dried, you guys. I pretty much let it air dry, and now I'm applying some of my BioSilk on it just to give it more of a shine and a luster to it. You don't need to put anything in it, but I just like to use my BioSilk because it just makes it look, you know, more shiny and nicer. So I use my Numi curling wand that I got from I got it for my birthday, but my sister got it from Numi, of course. It's the reverse curling wand. So if you type in Numi reverse curling wand, you'll see this pop up. Go ahead and get it. I've had it for about 2, almost 3 years now, and I love it. I had another one, a big barrel, but I think it stopped working. I'm really upset about that, so I have to get another one. But I definitely love my Numi curling wands. They're the best. So I guess you can kind of tell the method or what I'm doing here. I curl it, I pin it with my butterfly clips that I got from Beauty Exchange Orlando. They're literally like
$2 for 10 of them, and I have like 2 or 3 packs. So I always use these because I love to pin curl my hair, because the curls just come out so much better. They hold longer and they have time to set, because if you're curling your hair and just taking it straight out the curling wand and letting it fall, it's still hot, so that means it's going to drop. The heat is going to cause it to drop. The gravity is going to cause it to drop. So you need to pin it in place and let it cool so that way it can hold, then spray it as well. So I mean, I'm going to let you guys watch it until I get to like the straightening part, because I know I was out of frame, so I'll get back to you guys on that.
Nobody saw that.
So once I get to the very front, as you saw me do, I have a little different method of the way I want it to lay. So I spray it with some Got2b, let it dry, then I go with the wand and I push it back. I hate for my hair to just fall flat on my face. I like for it to have some volume, you know. So this is the way that I do it. I do it all throughout. Oh, sorry, bless me, thank you Jesus. Yeah, so when I do my middle parts, I do it on each side, and then when I do my side parts, I do it throughout the whole part, and you'll see me do that as well. Alright you guys, so I was basically running out of my butterfly clamps, so I was taking some from the first curls that I did to use towards the top, and then I just really was falling in love with the way these waves look. Like, they were all uniformed, like, you know, like they just was looking so good. And I mean, we look like Annie right now, so we're gonna have to comb them out and bring volume to the curls and stuff like that, because I don't like to leave my curls like this. If you do, then by all means, but I like to open my curls out. So I'm figuring out my part, and if you see me like bopping and moving, it's because of the music. So I curled this one right here to frame my face. Again, pin it in place. Kay's making the bed in the background, so don't mind her. Sorry about the text that I just got from my baby. But yeah, so I continue to do that, and then I'll come back again, leaving and coming back. Alright, so here I'm going in with the straightener and really just straightening the ends, you guys, because I told you I wanted that effortless look. And I'm sorry about the truck beeping in the background, you guys. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Don't have soundproof walls. Maybe I should get them, but anyway. I'm opening them up with my hands, and I'm trying to frame and make the hair sit where I want it to sit. So I'm just pulling them out with my fingers, and as you can see, they're all falling so uniformed. And then I'm again going in with the straightener on the ends. And I'm using the Absolute Heat straightener. It's Kay's straightener. I like her straightener a lot. And then as you can see, the BioSilk made my hair so shiny, so pretty, and I just love it. And the Got To Be spray isn't heavy on the curls, but it holds it in place as well, and I really, really like that. So yeah, you guys, I'm just going in and touching up where I need to touch up. And also, I just want to say shout out to me for the color job. It was literally the easiest thing I had to do. That's why I left you guys in such suspense in my last video with this hair. I'll have it linked down below, but make sure you guys check that one out if you want to see how I got this little bit of highlighted color kind of thing. Can't really see it too much in this video, but it's definitely there. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see I did some dance videos with this hair. I did some posts with it and stuff like that. So you'll definitely see it. But yeah, you guys, that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me on my socials. Love you!